I legit think this is one of the best values at the Coach outlet. Welcome to the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I'm Jen, and I wanted to do a quick review of an item I've had for several months and have been using a lot. And this is the Coach Slim ID card case. This is a small leather good. I picked this up at the Coach outlet during a great sale, and I think this is a fabulous staple. Everybody needs a card case, in my opinion. It can be used as a slim wallet. This one is leather and then the signature coated canvas, and the quality is very nice. I have some Louis Vuitton items as well. I think this definitely compares, and it's a fraction of the price. Coated canvas here, and then some of the slots are leather. The inside is actually fabric, so that's the one thing. It would be nice if this was leather as well, but hey, for the price, you really can't beat it here. Coach Outlet has offered these in a number of different colorways, so I will link the website down below in the description box. That is an affiliate link, but I purchased this myself. So it has a clear, transparent window on one side for your ID, hence why it's called the Slim ID card case. Then it has like a curved slot on the bottom, and it's got two more card slots. So you could fit 3 cards here, fit your ID on this side, and then in the middle, you can put a number that you could put like receipts, you could put like I'm putting in cash. So I will load this up and I will show you what it fits. Now, mine is in really good shape. The glazing, I've been using this daily for several months. The glazing is in fantastic shape. There's really not a lot of wear and tear on the card case. The card slots are stretched out a bit, but I've noticed that type of wear and tear on any card case, whether it's Coach, Kate Spade, or even designer like Louis Vuitton or whatever brand. So I'm going to show you how I load this up. Now, from my experience, I think it helps to put your ID in first, because as you put in the cards, this will get stiffer and harder to put the cards in. So I find it's easiest to put your ID in first because that's the hardest to get the card out of. And if you're taking the cards out, take out your ID last. I'm using fake cards because I don't want to reveal my personal info. So this is where I put my driver's license here. And I wouldn't recommend doubling up on the slots. I think that would be kind of a lot for this item. So I would recommend just putting 1 card per slot. If you have a lot more cards, this may not work for you, but I only have like 2 or 3 credit cards, so this works perfect for me. So I'm gonna put the top slot in first. All right, I'm gonna put this one in next. So it easily holds 3 credit cards or different cards, and then you can put in your ID. But you see what I mean? As you're putting in more cards, the case gets a little bit stiffer just because the cards are stiff. But this would happen with any card case, so I don't think that's really a negative. All right, so I've got 4 cards in here now, and then I will put some cash in the middle here. So I'm just gonna take this cash here. Now you technically can just fold it up once. This is a pile of bills and it's just folded in half. Why know it one way? You actually don't have to fold it in half again. This will actually fit pretty nicely in here. So, and actually I might have wanted to put the cash in first. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So yeah, just note to self, it might be good to put the cash in first. And because this first card slot has a bit of a curve in it, it makes it easier to get those cards out. All right, so I'm gonna take these out, we'll put those back in. Yeah, I kind of forgot how hard it was to get the cash. So that's just something to keep in mind, is that the card case won't be as flexible when you put the cards in, but that should be kind of obvious. All right, so I'm gonna put some cash in here. So you can see you only have to fold the bills in once. So you can see it doesn't stick out, so it lays flush. And now I will put the cards back in here. But you can see what I mean. As you're putting the cards in, it does get a little bit trickier because this gets kind of stiff. This is from like a kid's playset from Amazon. I wanted to have cards and fake coins and cash to use for videos and content. I didn't want to use real credit cards because it has the numbers on it. So this is the card case all loaded up, and you can see it is pretty stiff. It still has a very slim profile, so this will fit into mini bags. I think it's a great like everyday mini wallet, and it works very well for my needs. And if you're showing your ID to people, you don't have to take your card out to do it. You can just hold this up if you're trying to buy something that requires you to be like 18 or 21. So you can easily just hold this up and not have to take your ID out. So here's the other side, but it looks great. The wear and tear on it has been pretty impressive, especially for the price this item is. I think this is a fantastic everyday little SLG that Coach offers. I think it's an amazing value. So I would highly recommend the Slim ID card case. this has become my everyday wallet. I love the black, and I also wanted the black so that it wouldn't show dirt and I don't have to really worry about it. It's pretty carefree. It hasn't gotten dirty from what I can tell. And I really like Coach's coated canvas. I think it is definitely on par with the designer brands, and it's just a much more affordable price. Highly recommend. So this is the Coach Slim ID card case. If you have this item, let me know what you think down below in the comments. And if you have any questions, I have quite a few Coach outlet items. I'm a big Coach outlet gal, to be frank with you, but I would give this item like easily a 9.5 out of 10. I think it's great. Like the only thing I would have liked to see is maybe the inside be leather as well. But again, for the value, you really can't beat it. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hit the like button on your way out and check out some of my other videos about handbags and accessories. I'm Jen with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel, and I'll see you again in the next one.